Welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today we're going to learn about the difference of squares. Well, difference of squares follows this format. Whenever you see an a squared minus b squared, that can be factored into a plus b times a minus b. So I'm going to walk you through two different examples here. The first one is y squared minus 49. So the first thing I'm going to do is recognize that this is something squared, and this is also something squared. What is the square root of 49? Good, it's 7. So I can rewrite this as 7 squared. Once I have that, it's in the format a squared minus b squared, and I can go ahead and factor it just like it shows up above. And this turns into y plus 7 times y minus 7. And that's it. So once you learn to recognize these patterns, difference of squares is pretty simple. But it's always a good idea to check to make sure that what you factored into actually gives you back your original equation. So when I FOIL this, I multiply this out, I get y squared minus 7y plus 7y minus 49. Well, these here cancel, and I am indeed left with y squared minus 49. So that checks out, it works, and this here is my answer. So now on to the next one. We have 16x squared minus 25y squared. So this one looks a little bit trickier. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write this as 4 squared times x squared, and then 5 squared times y squared. After that, I can group these together. Based on our rules of algebra that we know, I can do this, and this means the same thing as the previous line. And now it actually has our format a squared minus b squared. So I can rewrite this as 4x plus 5y times 4x minus 5y. And this then is our answer, our fully factored form of our problem. And again, let's go back and just double check and FOIL this out to make sure that it does in fact give us the original equation. So I get 16x squared minus 20xy plus 20xy minus 25y squared. These middle terms cancel, and I am indeed left with 16x squared minus 25y squared. So that one also checks out, and this then is our answer. So this is the difference of squares. So keep this in mind whenever you're factoring these binomials and see if it's a difference of squares, because if it is, you can follow this method every time. Good luck!